I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you how I organize all the linens throughout my home, from my sheets to my towels to my cleaning cloths to my kitchen linens. I hope you will enjoy, so keep watching. So friends, let's talk bed linens first. The one specifically in my master bedroom. I like keeping my linens directly under my bed because this is where I make my bed and it's really convenient. I don't have to walk to a linen closet, get sheets, come back to the bed. It really keeps things simple for me. Another thing that I like to do is I like to buy inexpensive pillowcases. I have them embroidered with the sizes of the sheets and I keep my sheet sets in that. I find that it just helps me easily keep my sheets looking neat. I don't like folding sheets. I think it's just a pain. And so when I take them out of the dryer, I can roll them up, put them in here, and they really look neat and orderly, but I don't really have to do a lot of the work. In the first one, I keep my sheets, and you'll notice one is missing because it's actually on my bed. In the second one, this is where I keep my spare hangers. My closet is rather small. You can check out my closet organization video if you missed it, but I don't want to keep anything that I don't have to in that space, and so I find that my hangers under here is just more convenient and out of the way because I don't need to grab them all of the time. And then in the third bin, I have my guest bedroom in a bag, and if you're not familiar with that, definitely check out the video. I have a specific video on it, and I'll link that below. And so these are the 3 items that I keep right up under my bed, and it's extremely convenient for me. Now, as far as my guest bedroom, unfortunately the bed is made so that it's too low to fit these bins because I would absolutely put the sheets under the bed. So what I have to do in the guest bedroom is I have to put them in baskets in the closet. Because when guests come, their bed is already made, they really realistically don't use the sheets, so that's really good, but you never know, I want to make them available for my guests. But I really have them tucked up in the closet and it's convenient, but I find that using these baskets is a great way to kind of be able to house the sheets for the guest bedroom. I also keep guest towels right there in the same area. I like in the guest closet for my guests to come in and easily see where the sheets are, where the towels are. They don't really have to ask for things, so this is a really convenient spot to hold them. So as far as spare blankets, we keep those in the top of Mike's closet, and the reason we keep them up there are they are all quilts that his grandmother made. They are beautiful. They keep us so warm in the wintertime, and they're special to him and to me also. And so I like to keep them in the top of his closet because it's a great storage area, number one, but more importantly, when he walks in his closet every day, he knows that those are his grandmother's linens, and so he knows they're protected. He knows that he can easily get to them if he wants to use one, and I think it's really just a special spot to have there for him. So as far as linen closets for Mike and I, it is located in our bathroom in the master bath, and we keep it simple. I have white towels, he has gray towels. I use my same traditional towel fold technique that I always use. I've shown you so many times, but I also have a tour, a detailed tour of my linen closet. If you're interested, I'll link that video below. So as far as cleaning cloths for upstairs, I keep them in the utility closet that's located in the hallway upstairs. I keep them in a simple kitchen canister, friends. You know, I love a kitchen canister. So let's move to the kitchen. And now, as far as the kitchen, I have my kitchen towels, which I keep in my coffee bar because this was just the best place for them to keep my excess ones. I keep one by my sink, so that's easy to get to when I want to use it. And then I also have all of my spares in this basket here, and it works perfectly. And you all know I love rolling things because I find when I take it out of the dryer, it's just easy to roll it up. And then when I put it away, it just really keeps it looking neat. Now, as far as my dishcloths, you all know I'm all about a crochet dishcloths. Those are the only dishcloths that I use. I absolutely love them. And they're so durable, and they have a little scrubbing aspect to them that works great, and so they're just my favorite. But this is how I store these things, and of course you all know this is kind of where I also store my kitchen junk drawer. I have a video on that. I'll link that below if you're interested. So as far as my cleaning cloths for my kitchen, my microfiber cloths, I keep them right there under the sink. It really keeps it simple. I use these not only for my kitchen, but for my living room area because they're kind of all connected, so it just really keeps it simple for me. So as far as cleaning cloths for downstairs, I keep those in the laundry room. They're just little gray cleaning cloths that I keep in a little basket, easy to get to, and I can just grab and go. So as far as my napkins and things like that for entertaining and for everyday use, I keep those in my entertaining closet in a little basket. It's really convenient. It helps keep things neat and orderly, and I just love my little baskets here for all those little things that I use for guests and for Mike and I. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing all the ways that I organize my linens throughout my home. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. If you enjoyed this video, definitely like this video so that I know what type of content to bring you. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.